Yes, be ready. Start. Question: The railway minister said that knowledge of Hindi or other vernacular is to be encouraged. Stop. In spite of that assurance, the matriculation qualification is still insisted upon, for which there is no justification given. Stanza. With regard to the Payment of Wages Act, the Railway Board refuses to accept certain sections of the Act, full stop. Whenever a railway servant is suspended, on reinstatement, he is given full pay for the period of suspension, full stop. In fact, that was the judgment of the Bombay High Court. Any curtailment of full pay during the period of suspension is ultra vires and is against the Payment of Wages Act. Stop. There is a specific case in which this judgment has been given, and in spite of that, the Railway Board refuses to give full pay for the period of suspension. Stop. I have brought many such cases to the notice of the Railway Board. Stop. Not only that, but I can also quote an instance with regard to the curtailment of annual increments. Stop. For imposing punishment, annual increments are cut, and this is quite in violation of the Payment of Wages Act. Stop. The Railway Board must also consider this point. Stop. A third violation is reduction to a lower scale. Stop. I can quote the instance of an instructor who was reduced to the station master's category. Stop. He was getting a basic pay of rupees 1000, and as a punishment it has been reduced to rupees 700. Stop. I may, in this connection, bring to his notice the case of one Mr. M. Thomas, an instructor in the transportation school, whose pay was reduced from rupees 1000 to rupees 700 as a punishment, full stop. Stanza. The rule which is quoted is an old rule which obtained in 1941 before the railways were taken over from the company and before the new rules came into force. Stop. Such reductions of salaries are also a violation of the express provisions of the Payment of Wages Act, full stop. Stanza. Apart from this, there are several instances of withdrawal of concessions and major curtailment of the rights of the railway staff. Stop. Previously, the loco sheds were governed by the Factories Act. Stop. If the staff work after 5 o'clock in the evening when routine working hours are over, they are entitled to an over-time allowance, and the staff in these sheds were getting this allowance. Stop. Now, very cleverly, the loco sheds have been removed from the operation of the Factories Act. Stop. This real grievance of the staff was brought to the notice of the railway minister during the course of the debate. Full stop. Over.